Pliti. Kuya. No drivers, guys. Cheers! Thank you, Connie. Ka-English ko kay Noy kauban, si Connie. So, hello po ma'am sir, this is your friendly HR partner Jim. Bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating self-driving car experience, samahan niyo po muna ako at i-flex ko lang po ang workplace ko dito or ang office ko dito sa US. Entrance pa lang, parang mall na. Oh, di ba? Apaka-wow talaga. Hahanapin po muna natin yung Chinese-American friend natin na si Connie. Kasi kailangan po natin yung phone niya. So, i-explain po natin later bakit phone niya talaga. Dito din sa office nila, meron silang free coffee. You can order what you want. Sana all, di ba? At ayan na po, si Connie. Thank you. So join us sa ating self-driving car experience na si Waymo.
We're going
So now, yung phone ni Connie, ginagamit namin to book the Waymo car or the self-driving car. Explain natin later why. Bakit talaga cellphone niya? Thank you so much for the troubles, Connie. Hi, Connie.
Where is it? Is it that one?
Is it far? Yeah,
It is so far.
it's so far. So, maglalakad pa po kami sa taxi kasi nga, ang taxi na walang driver ay nagpa-park lang sa mga unloading at loading zones. They follow strictly sa mga road rules. Sana all, di ba? So funny. Whoa. Good to see you, Connie.
Oh, Franz.
I am back in the Philippines, ma'am sir. And welcome back po to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe for the monetization. Sa channel ko po, ang mga topics po natin or pinapag-usapan natin ay about HR. At sana po ay nakatulong po sa inyo. Pwede ba mag-overtime? Hindi pa na-release ang last pay ko. Mga ganyang bagay-bagay. At of course, mga buhay-buhay ko din, di ba? Pero follow me on my Instagram and TikTok, jim.katian. And also on my Facebook, hrjimkatian. Para mag-monetize naman tayo mga ma'am sir. So for today's video, ang kwento ko po sa inyo mga ma'am sir, is ang experience ko sa US sa pagsakay ko ng taxi. Ang babaw. Ano bang special dito? Ang special po dito, ma'am sir, is wala siyang driver. Ghost driver. Kung merong ghost flood control projects, meron ding ghost driver. Opo, meron tayong ghost driver or walang driver sa taxi sa US. This is operated by a company called Waymo. Mga ma'am sir, is that si taxi is self-driving. Wala po siyang driver, pero ang gamit po niya is artificial intelligence. Imagine niyo po, ma'am sir, nakasakay kayo ng taxi na walang driver. Kayo lang. At meron po siyang radar sa taas ng kanyang taxi. Oh. Sunroof, guys. Sunroof. Lakas makasosyal. So at the top, guys, it's not just a sunroof, but it's also a sensor.
Yeah.
If you're wearing your seatbelt. Wrong.
Wrong. LiDAR machines are up there above the car.
Is the?
The LiDAR machine, like
Oh,
where
yeah.
we need to annotate.
Got it. So it's the LiDAR machines, guys, where we annotate. I'm such a wrong vlogger. Oh my God! Wow! So at the top, guys, sa taas, that is the LiDAR machine. Para makita niya ang paligid, kung meron bang left turn, right turn, meron bang obstacle, may dumadaan ba. So dyan siya nakakakita. At dahil po tayo ay si friendly HR partner Jim, wala siyang driver. Walang manpower. So ang next question po dyan, extinct or obsolete na ba ang mga drivers or manggagawang Pilipino? Mawawala na ba tayo ng trabaho? OA. Well, ma'am sir, malayo pa po tayo niyan. At present, mas matalino pa din ang mga tao kaysa mga machines or computer. Pero sabi ko, at present, ang bilis ng growth ng AI, di ba? Pero mga ma'am sir, si self-driving car, may mga limitations pa din siya. Ang taxi driver na tao, alam niya yung mga shortcuts, alam niya yung kung may mga rerouting, alam niya kung saan yung mga walang masyadong traffic pag ganitong oras. At there are instances din po mga ma'am sir na pag may problema ang kanilang software, tinatawag nila ito na rerouting issue. There was an instance sa US na is umiikot-ikot lang siya at nalock yung car at hindi nakakalabas yung passenger. Pero it is manageable kasi may immediate na agent like, hello ma'am sir, ano bang problema natin dyan? Yeah. And guys, you are not allowed to touch the wheel. Hinihilaptan ang kuan. Customer support will directly contact you here. What's the problem, what's the issue, so never touch the wheel guys. So ayan, fully supported ka at minamanage at tina-troubleshoot nila yan para wala talagang issue because safety is their priority. At kung dito naman sa Pilipinas, parang hindi pa ready ata. Si number 1, ang mga sidewalk natin ay ginagawang parking ng mga sasakyan. Wala akong pinapatamaan. Yan po ay pawang katotohanan lamang. Number 2, baha. Yung tinatawag po na LiDAR sa taas, yun po yung mga mata ni Waymo. Di po siya makakita sa lalim ng tubig at nagre-rely po siya sa reflection. So, a reminder din po na corruption delays progress. Mahiya naman po tayo mga ma'am, sir. Number 3, may mga vendors po tayong nasa daan. Hello po dyan mga moms and sir. So, nawawalan tayo ng kalsada at that can be an issue sa ating taxi na self-driving. At number 4, ang pinaka hindi common na problema ng Pilipino is ang Filipino time. Ito po mga moms sir, kung nagmamadali kayo, this car is not for you. What? Kasi si Waymo or ang self-driving taxi follows a speed limit for safety purposes nila. So kung nagmamadali ka, sinasabihan mo yung driver na, oy, magmadali tayo kuya. Sorry ka na lang. Hindi mo mapapwersa si Waymo na magmadali kasi it follows a specific speed limit. And doon sa US, while I was there, kinakausap ko din yung mga ibang passengers. So lumipad po ang ating team kung ano ba ang preferred nila is gusto po nila yung taxi or self-driving taxi during at night. Kasi they feel more secured kasi sila lang talaga sa taxi. Walang ibang tao, walang driver. You just click the destination at punta na kayo doon agad. Pros din ito sa mga introvert, sa mga nahihiya na magsabi na, kaliwa ka kuya, kanan ka naman kuya. It's now programmed to stop on a loading and unloading zone. Saya lang, ang ganda. If you're in the US guys, I really encourage you to try and experience the self-driving taxi by Waymo kasi it's a different experience. Iba yung experience kasi na, uy, walang driver. Ikaw lang dyan, mag-emote, ikaw lang isa, wala kang kausap. Operational sa mga specific areas, Arizona, sa Texas, sa Austin, Texas, sa San Francisco, California, Los Angeles, and I think it's already in Atlanta also. So those are some of the states na operational na si Waymo and you can try and experience it. Continue sa video. Dito wala pa akong braces kasi months before pa to. Ngayon lang ako naka-edit pagbalik sa Pilipinas. English-Englishan tayo dyan sa video. Kasi yung kasama natin, an American. Kaya let's go sa pagsakay ko ng taxi na walang driver sa US. Hello guys, this is your friendly HR partner, Jim. And yeah, we're riding right now at Waymo. So there's no driver. Waymo is in partnership with Jaguar. So yeah, so shout out tayo guys. And this is Connie, by the way. My sponsor for Waymo. Because you need someone who has a Waymo app, but for regional phones, it's hard to download it. So I need Connie here. So thank you so much, Connie.
Of course, of course.
Yeah. So
Walking the rest of the road.
yeah, thank you for the tour. Thank you for the welcome to your vlogger life, buddy.
No, this is how people do it.
Yeah. Cheers. Thank you, Connie. Hello guys, this is your friend the HR partner Jim, and of course we will try the Waymo ride. So it's a self-driving car, and we're just waiting here with my friend here in San Francisco, Connie. You will be sponsoring the ride because I can't use my credit card here, and with the original restrictions when you download the app, so you need to have a US phone to have the Waymo app. Hello guys, we're riding Waymo car. We're riding Waymo car.
Wait, can you hold on to
What?
Can you hold on to this?
Yep. So what are you gonna do?
So you need to unlock it.
At ito po ma'am sir, ito pinapakita ni Connie, yung cellphone niya makaka-receive ka ng code. This will be sent ni Waymo para ikaw lang ang makagamit sa self-driving taxi. O di ba? Napaka high-tech and safe.
You want to do this? Are you ready?
Yeah. Start right.
Happy Friday.
So we're riding the Waymo car, guys. It's fully self-driving. So, hindi na ka mag-pliti-pliti pa. Pliti ko ya. No driver, right? A shout out to our Filipino team there for being part of this Waymo project, self-driving cars. Let's enjoy the ride, guys. And English ko kay Noy Kauban, si Connie. So, join me and with Connie here on the full experience of Waymo. Kuya? Kuya? And you switch it back. Go drivers, guys. Wow, go drivers. Role playing. I'm gonna do it like. Tignan nyo to guys. Pinapakita ni Connie on how smooth ang pagliko ni Waymo. So talagang reliable siya.
Turn guys.
O diba? Very smooth lang. Parang merong driver lang din. At yung music po na naririnig nyo sa Waymo po yan.
So it's a
So
smart
parang
car,
nasa lobby
very
ka lang
smart.
ng hotel, diba? At dito na po tayo, ma'am sir, nagtatapos
Thank you so
ang
much,
ating
Ma'am Connie.
Waymo episode for our YouTube vlog. So maraming salamat po sa pagsama, ma'am sir, and I hope may natutunan or masaya kayo sa panonood for today's video. So thank you for joining us on our Waymo ride experience. This is your friendly HR partner, Jim, and like, follow, share for more. Pliti, pliti. We have